from the top of my lungs. What's going on? Okay, balik ko na tubig kay murag. Ako rin nakabaw kay di lagi ko palupig. Dapat ako gipahibaw sa group chat no nga. Ako mo ipa-search ani nga lyrics pero ako naman ni. Pero bitaw so atong balik ko na in 3, 2, 1. And so I wake up in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream from the top of my lungs, what's going on? And I said, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, come on, babe, what's going on? Alright, no, so grabe dahil energy bisag murag gigutom-gutom na gamay. So nakarelate pa today ang mga gores, mga tita o mga batan-on. So, ani mag-isa lagi hapon tanong kay ang mga karaan ng mga kanta ni sikat ang padron sa TikTok and everyone is in social media. So, energy check, gajud kaadyo, paid and audited. So, speaking of what's going on, dili ta angay mag-o because we are not in a rush, in a hectic schedule or heavy workload tonight. We are not in trouble, but we are going to rock and roll. Andam na ba mo mag-rock and roll? Yes. Okay, so greeting you all, jolly and rock and roll Christmas. I am Nympha, ang rockista Maria Clara, and I am your host for tonight. So, as we celebrate this night with festive and fun music, prepare yourselves to jump and jingle. But before that, let us hear a welcome address from our very own Ayad mother. She's not a rock, but she's a star of her own. Please welcome Ma'am Nene Mero. A round of applause, please. Palakpakin dito si Ma'am. Inigpadong ari kay rockstar. Kayo dating o, dili ko palupin. Hi, and good evening.
Good evening.
Nagingisi lagi itong mga nag-i-blow dito o na nagputi dito, no? I hope na na-enjoy mo. So,
Yeah.
karon, kinubdo mo diinta na party last year. So, it's a formal party.
Yeah.
Karon, medyo
Rock and roll.
bastos. Joke. So, ingon na, and then are you, ang ingon ni Nympha ako ibalik, are you ready to rock and roll?
Yes.
Yeah, with energy. Dili nang ready to rock and roll nga nakaluya ha. Kinahanglan with energy. And then ikaduha nga punto, mag-search ko diri karon og kinsay pinakanindot nga OOTD or the rock and roll, and I have to give with my own personal money as a prize. So, kung doon na pa may kitaguan diha nga mga ang sayang nga wa pa ninyo gi pagawas na kay basin man lang kamo may mapilian sa mga judges. Kay na mo yung premyo, dili na siya, it's a prank ha, dili na it's a prank. Okay. So, sa tibok tuig na to, magsigira dyan ang tatak o
Audited.
stamp of audited, matod pa ni